All right. And we're live. So, welcome, you guys, Solutions. This video is going to be a very short video. It's going to be, let me look at my board right quick, how to make a powerful FTC report. Now, when I say powerful, I mean powerful, right? I'm talking about one of them heavy hitters. All right, so we're going to dive straight in. I want to report identity theft. Now, you can come in here and you can literally tailorize it to that one thing because we use this for multiple different things. Like when I say multiple different things, we use this for multiple different things. I use this sometimes in a debt validation letter. So I might come in here and specifically put exactly what it is. I might put telephone or utility account because I'm trying to be so specific and I'm not scared of them. You feel what I'm saying? Some people, they be real scared when it comes to like repairing credit. We're not scared. You feel what I'm saying? So we would come in and tell them exactly what it is. But for this purpose, I'm going to put credit card accounts. Okay. And you can even put both sometimes if you're doing multiple at one time, but we're just going to just do one. I have one on my list that I'm going to do, and I'm going to put to open a fraudulent credit card account because it's always fraudulent. I didn't give you, like, why are you selling my information? You feel what I'm saying? Like, I need you to show me what give you the right to do that. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, we're going to click continue. For this purpose, we're going to be using Verizon. Okay. We're going to be using Verizon. Yeah. Verizon. 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 I'm trying to get the dang account number. Verizon. I'm using Verizon, y'all, but I don't know where that song came from. But we're using Verizon. Okay. What in the flaps? Yeah, I'm over here, guys. I done got the wrong. I don't know what the heck I highlighted, to be honest with you. All right, there we go. So it's not going to let me put the little things. And the balance on the Verizon was, remember I told y'all, right? Didn't I tell y'all? The name, the date it was open, the account number, and the balance, okay? You want to have that. Give me 1 second while I go to on the credit report. So I have it pulled up. I told y'all we was going hard, man. I told y'all we walking y'all straight through it. I'm holding your hand to 50K, to 250K. I'm holding your hand, literally. Let's get it. 1 second. We ain't in no rush. We trying to make sure we get this thing right. I'm trying to make sure I show y'all because you do not want to make mistakes when it comes to this. You want to be, it's very simple, but it's very simple to mess up too. You're on a computer, you might type in the wrong number. You'll literally put in the wrong number. You'll never get something off because you got one number wrong. God damn. Sorry, y'all. Let's go through a long report. I don't even know if y'all. I got the report. 2,530. Let's get it off of there. Boom. When did you notice it? You always gonna put you notice it now. So it's April 2024. It was opened 6/22. It's gonna be June 2022. Right? And click next. How you doing? We're making a video while we live. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to fill out your information for this training. I'm just gonna put NA, because we're making a video. We're not gonna put anyone's information. Okay. So we filled out the information, the personal information. You're gonna fill all of that out. Okay, let's get straight back into it. Do you know anything about the person who stole your identity? No, not at this time. Have you received a copy of your credit report? Yes, I have. Were there any fraudulent accounts included on your report? Yes, there has. Have you requested a fraud alert? No, we haven't. Now, was any information wrong on your credit report? Now, this right here is where you also can. Let's say they're not. Let's say they're being dicks, right? I'm just gonna be real. They're assholes. You feel what I'm saying? They're trained to be assholes. Like, so let's say they're being assholes, right? That's why I said this is how you kind of make it powerful. So I'm not just gonna show you this for the purpose of just what am I trying to say for a collection? I'm gonna show you this purpose for anything. You feel what I'm saying? Because let's just be real. Some of these addresses are connected to some of these collections, so they're not going to just remove it. They're going to say, "Oh, it's tied to an account." They're going to tell you straight up it's tied to an account. So you're going to have to come in. You might need some more weight. That's why I like to call it. You might need some more weight behind your dispute. Okay, so you can come in here and get an FTC report. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. You can get an FTC report and put my date of birth is incorrect, my name is incorrect, my address is incorrect. I suggest doing it one at a time. So that way they got one thing, they ain't focusing on three things in one dispute. I'll send them multiple letters, or you can do, like, if it's stuff like that, you can do all that in one. Cause I do most of this stuff in one call, but you can send all this in. There's been times I had to send this, because like it is what it is. Like it's I had a excuse me, I had an account connected to an address, and it was a big collection. It was a real big collection for this client, and I had to do. It was an address connected to it, and they would not remove it. It was like $24,000, so they really wasn't trying to move that. So we had to come and get an FTC report. We had to go CFPB. We had to send in letters. We had to like really really go heavy just to remove an address, but that's because it was tied to a big account. And they just recently moved too. That was another thing about it. So we would do that. Yes, yes. You also can do inquiries. You'll put your inquiries right here. You're only allowed to do 3, but you can put the rest on the next page we're about to go to. Was your information exposed in a data breach? You can check this actually and check and see if it was. Okay, personal statement. We're going to put, I recently pulled my credit report and I found some. Okay. So you're gonna put this. Sorry guys, I had my button. It clicks whenever it ends it. I have special keys on. I forget. I'm typing trying to. But yeah, I recently pulled my credit report and I found blah 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 blah. I nigga done put that twice. I recently pulled my credit report and I found some inaccurate accounts that were reporting. And then you're gonna put this law 15 USC 1581 C2. Okay, I just put this law because a robot's reading it. Um, and this is just my FTC report. I just like to have the FTC report because it's heavy. You feel what I'm saying? We're going the route of reporting it to. We're reporting identity theft. You know. Um, and here I just put my name, random address, random number. Um, and this is a powerful FTC report as far as for this purpose. You know. And you can go as far. This is what I normally put. I recently pulled a copy of my credit report and I found some inaccurate accounts that were reporting. I have made a list of all of the inaccurate accounts that I would like to remove. I'm in the process of getting a new home and this is hurting me. Please review all my documents and remove the accounts that are listed. 15 USC 1681 C2. Um, and for inquiries or personal information, same thing. I recently pulled my credit report and found some inaccurate personal information that was reporting. I have made a list of all the inaccurate personal information that I would like to remove, and I am in the process of getting a new home, and this is hurting me. Please review all of my documents and remove the account listed, but I wouldn't put the remove. Please review all my documents for the personal information and the FTC report. Um, I have more templates for that. That's just the one that I'm running with right now, and it's been dropping. It's been dropping everything. I mean dropping. You'll finalize it. You check your box. Finalize it. Um, submit without an account. Continue, and you'll download that bad boy. And that's it. That's how you get your powerful FTC report. You want to send this with your letters. You get what I'm saying? You're going to send this with your letters, and this is going to drop everything like flies. And I got another special video coming after this video. That's another thing that we're going to attach to it to make the most powerfulest like dispute process, where you might even you're probably just going to go in for one round and everything's dropped off. But this is how to create a powerful FTC report. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you are not already inside the school, make sure you join the school. Or if you do not already have our letters, go ahead and grab those letters so you can get in the process of repairing your personal credit and getting ready to get that bag. We out.